Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. This is my day 27 video of 75 days hard challenge of spoken English. My name is Nikita and first of all I have completed my 75 minutes daily task, and in this video I present a question and answer related some sentence, okay, and it is very important. It is very important because our daily conversation, okay, conversation. Without any delay, let's start. First, how are you? अगर कोई आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे हाउ आर यू, आंसर आई एम फाइन. How about your work? It's doing well. And third, how is your family? Answer, everyone is good. Question, how do you know me? आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो? I have seen you in my office. जो आपका यहाँ पर आंसर है वो आप कीजिएगा, बस इसमें I have seen you in my office, my school, my college, etc. Okay. What does your father do? My father is a serviceman. My father is a farmer. My father is a doctor. Okay. Question, what are you doing? I am doing work. I am doing my homework. Okay. Question, where are you coming from? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? I am coming from to market, to temple, anything. Okay. Question, do you know me? Yes, I know you. अगर नहीं बोलना है, no, I don't know you. Question, where are you going? I am going my school. Answer, I am going my school, my college, my office. Where were you? तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? I was in my bedroom. Okay. How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 15 years old. I am 20 years old. When did you come? I came yesterday. Okay. Answer, What's up these days? आजकल क्या चल रहा है? जब हम दोस्तों से बात करते हैं तो ऐसा बोलते हैं, What's up this day? Answer, nothing special. Okay. Where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो? I live in झारखंड. Where do you from? आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हो? इसका मतलब I am from कोलकाता, झारखंड, दिल्ली. Okay. What do you want? जब आप दुकान जाते हो तो वहाँ पर अगर आप दुकान गए तो शॉपकीपर पूछा व्हाट डू यू वांट, आई वांट अ पेन, आई वांट अ पेंसिल। स्टेशनरी दुकान गए तो वहाँ पर कहीं भी व्हाट डू यू लाइक, आप क्या पसंद करते हो, आई लाइक टू रीड बुक्स। व्हाट डू यू डू, आप क्या करते हो, आई एम अ स्टूडेंट। या फिर आप बोल सकते हो आई वर्क इन अ बैंक, आई एम अ टीचर। व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम, there is no problem. Answer. Okay, is everything okay, this is question, is everything okay? No, अगर आपको नो बोलना है नो, अगर यस बोलना है यस, एब्सोल्युटली ओके। हाउ वाज योर डे, आपका दिन कैसा रहा, इट वाज फाइन, अगर अच्छा रहा इट वाज फाइन, अगर उतना अच्छा नहीं रहा नॉट सो गुड। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग नाउ, आई एम फीलिंग बेटर, अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा नॉट सो गुड। ओके, सो गाइस दैट्स ऑल। आई होप this video is helpful for all of us. Thank you watching my video and thank you so much your support, your love. Okay, thank you.